So a quick update on the chicken coop and run build. We got it all finished up, at least for the most part. So the run area here is 10 feet wide by 24 feet deep to the coop, 240 square feet. And then there's additional run space under the coop, which is an 8 by 20, so about another 160 square feet. So total about 400 square feet of run area. We got 40 chickens. So I raised it up off the ground just so we could get that extra run space in here, which comes in convenient. The chickens love it because it really stays cool underneath there during the summertime. So we used sawmill lumber to side the coop area and build our boxes out of, our nest boxes. So we got 5 on this side, and then there's another 6 on the other side, so 11 in total. But I built a ledge that sticks out at an angle to mount our hinges onto, and that gives us space that we can open the door and just leave it leaning up against the back of the door, which is convenient. We don't have to hold it up or put a latch or something on it to hold it. Over here we have our other 6 nesting boxes. So currently we have 3 hens, our 3 Rhode Island whites, and those are our only 3 laying hens at the time. The others will still be a few weeks away. So as we go around the back side of the coop area, I built a little place where I can have some storage. We keep our feed in the barrels. Put put a little door in here to go into the coop. Right now we have some plastic laid down here. I should have stapled it but haven't yet, but we're about to get some vinyl linoleum flooring and do the whole bottom to make this easier to clean. We got them some roosting bars and what have you in the back. So on the bottom of the back wall back here, the whole end opens up so you can sweep it all out the back to clean it out. Then on this end right here, I have a place to keep some IBC totes. We put them under here to kind of keep them out of the weather, but we're going to use these to water our chickens, water our garden, which I got to get that set up soon. So we kind of got us a little compost area going here. We still need to finish it up. I got some more pallets to put a wall on the end of this one over here, but this is pine shavings and what have you that come out of our brooder when we was raising our baby chicks, and you can see they've grown quite a bit. I guess right now they're about 14 days old. This here is just leaf compost and grass and stuff like that. So this is going to be our garden area. Right now we have our ducks in here, which all turned out to be male, so we have 4 male ducks. What do you guys think we should do with those? But anyway, as you can see on the end of the coop area, that's the door. It raises up so you can sweep all of that out onto a tarp or whatever and move it to the compost area. So this area right here is where we want to put our food forest area. We're going to plant a bunch of fruit trees and shrubs, berry bushes and what have you in this area. But we have to take out a few trees first. I think it'll be a good sunny location. Sun sets over here. Sun rises over here in the east and sets over this way in the west. Eventually we're going to take out a couple of these little oaks out of here, leave the big oak right there in the corner, take out some of this little stuff underneath here. Definitely want to get rid of these 2 pine trees in this area. So we got a lot of work to do to get this set up so we can start planting some trees and shrubs over here. I'll show you a little bit about what we got so far. So we have plum trees, a couple of fig trees. This is a mayhaw tree right here. I have a guava but may put it in a pot, not sure just yet. Then we got a loquat, thornless blackberry, pear trees. We got some pomegranates I have laid out on the fence line over here. And we're gonna be getting some peach trees, some more plum trees, and a few other trees before too long to go with this. So that's what we're gonna be working on in the next few days or so. So that's about where we are so far with the chicken coop and run. We're still gonna come in and put a window in right here. I'm just gonna put a channel on it, cut a hole to fit the window, and make a slide where we can slide it open when we want to. We're also gonna do a build video for a chicken feeder hopper that we're gonna put right here in this little square. We're also going to do a video for our rainwater catchment system. We're going to put a gutter on the outside of the coop and run area over here, catch the water, drain it into our IBC totes, and build automatic water for the chickens. So anyway, guys, we got a lot of projects going on. We appreciate y'all watching. Y'all share your comments with us, any tips, suggestions, whatever. But y'all subscribe, follow us along. We appreciate it. See you next time.